Hey everybody, it's Marty the JavaScript Party. I'm just hanging out in here and I have built a 3JS cylinder. I think if I rotate around X, it'll kind of, I played with this a little last night, but um, let's see, click on this, hit the up button. Okay, so, oh, my camera's sitting at Z. Oh, okay, yeah, and then X is across, so it's rotating this way. So that is that. And then I guess if we go like around Y, oh, then I think it's spinning like this, so we can't really see it. Um, and then if we do Z, then the Z is along the axis that's in and out towards us. And so it's spinning like that. It was really simple. Basically, all I did was clone my 001 cube into this one. Let me do, what happens if I do Y now? Yeah, see now it's kind of rotating around that. I think that's just the neatest thing. I would like to experiment a little bit with like inside of it. So like if the camera is inside of it and it's spinning, like maybe having like a visualization on the front on one of the end caps and then a different image on the around the outside and maybe even animate the camera to sort of go in and out. I think that might be cool. I don't know. It'd be interesting to have a camera sitting at the zero position actually at all. Um, I think we have to make it two-sided or something like that to be able to see anything, but I actually have no idea what we're going to see if we do that. Maybe that'll be my next experiment. Like camera at origin. I think I'm like I said, I think I'm gonna have to make this two-sided though, and all that. Because I do think that like I know that a while back someone said, "Hey, can you make could is it possible to make like a visualization that looks like a black hole? It feels like inside of a cylinder with it spinning around you, um, and then some visualization at the end might be a really good way to do it. Or it could be that maybe a cone might be the way. I don't know. We'll have to experiment with it, but that'll be fun. So literally, I took my zeros, my like cube geometry 001. I just cloned it and I changed this one line. So one line. I think the more I play around with 3JS, over the years, oh, I also changed the position of the camera. That's right. The more I play around with it over the years, it's been like let me see something 16. Wonder if you could put a different uh yeah, see, so when we do it like this, if we rotate it along the z-axis, nope, that was it. It's along the x-axis. Yeah, see now, I wonder if you could put like a picture on each segment. That could be neat. So that's 16. Let's make this 8. I think it's even more. See, I wonder if each segment can have its own picture. If that's the case, then like if you were inside of it here, that may be one of those, like if it's spinning around, maybe one of those, like if it's spinning along the Y. See, we should actually be able to see the spinning now along the Y. Yeah, see, if we're inside there, it's kind of like a a carousel, you know. But you could have. I wonder if you could put a different picture on each one of these, and then be on the inside, and it'd be like almost like an optical illusion where it looks like maybe if you had the horses in different positions or something like that, it could look um, like it was galloping, that kind of thing. I wonder if I wonder if there's even a name for that. So what is a 6 or 8? Let's try 4. So I wonder if a 4 is basically like a square with like a I don't know with I don't know what it would be like a oh it is like a cube. Can you do 5? For some reason I was thinking, oh, well, what if you do 3? I wonder. I don't know. Actually, I don't even know what all the arguments are. So radius, oh, radius to oh, so you can have two different radiuses. Did I make it? Did I change the camera? No, okay. Oh, that's really neat. So what was that? That was three segments. Let's try 4 segments. So it's like a legit pyramid with like a flat top, which is pretty cool. So that's a cylinder, which is kind of hilarious. Let's try 5 segments. I think that is really neat. I would imagine 3 is the smallest you can do, though. So funny, it doesn't look like 3 to me. Here, let's rotate it around this way. I think it'll be easier. Oh, it is 3, though. You can definitely see that. It's got 2 triangles on the top and 3 around the outside. That's a really neat one. So I think there's several ways to 3JS provides different ways of creating something like that, but that is very cool. Can't even remember how we started. Guess we should go back to that. So there's the original. I wonder. Oh, well, so anyways, the next one will be to try to see the camera at the origin, and kind of play around just like that, but with the camera at the origin, and then maybe try to play around with like different colors on the different faces. That would be neat to see that. It'd be kind of neat to have like let's say you had 4 sides and then you had like a green and a or is it red and yellow make orange, and see if it starts to look like it's orange after a little bit, like if they're going fast enough, that kind of thing. But I don't know if you can put different images on different faces and stuff like that. But like I said, I did want to experiment with putting one in the middle. Um, so that's that. Happy coding, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.